Hello, welcome back to 2021. Well, it's our first time to be here. We have changed seasons, we have changed the year. It is actually 2021 right now, and it is actually crazy how fast, how immensely fast, but at the same time, how loaded 2020 was. But I'm happy that I made it through, and I'm happy that I had a couple of achievements. But at the same time, I'm looking really forward to what 2021 is going to bring, because let's face it, it's going to be a crazy year. It's not going to be, I mean, what is regular anyway, but I'm pretty sure that 2021 is going to be like a revealing year, and seeing what type of damage we are about to suffer as a collective in this, global society. So it's going to be interesting. But on my personal basis and personal life, I'm really happy that I am doing YouTube again. Actually, yeah, I'm feeling actually quite comfortable and confident to sit here and just talk to my camera really, even though I haven't been doing this for 3 months. But yeah, so what I've been up to, I haven't really been doing much. I did my bachelor thesis, so that was something I'm really happy about, and something I'm going to be further sharing with you on the channel over the time. And yeah, I've been just relaxing, trying to relax as much as possible, because if you work from home, as you know, sometimes everything gets super blurry and you don't really know when to rest, when to start something new and stuff, but we find a way. And in general, yeah, I'm excited to try something new. I'm going to show you my new baby. It's just borrowed, but it's still a new baby. It is this Mamiya RZ67 that I borrowed. It is such a monster. Like, I'm used to shoot with the Hasselblad, and if you compare that medium for my camera and this one, it's just the Hasselblad you can really throw into your bag. I mean, you shouldn't. You should just throw it into your camera bag or something. And it is just so light and super easy to move around. While this one, I think for the first time I hold it and I have like, I think 3 more lenses with it, I was like, you heavy, Mamiya. But I'm happy to try it out. I have 2 films. I think one black and white film, the TX something, and then of course Portra 400. Let me have a look what film I have actually. So we have here, I don't even know, to be honest. I mean, this thing says TMY 120. Guess what? I'm gonna just, I think TX something. I'm gonna just blend it in. Okay, so this was T-Max 400, and now let's keep on going with the video. It's a black and white medium format camera roll, and then I have, of course, the classic Portra 400. So that's it for that. Yeah, apart from that, yeah, I want to just basically come back with more content. I want to just upload two times a month, because I think with my life and other things I'm interested in, I just want to have YouTube something that I can sustain, and I feel like I can sustain 2 times a month, and that's about it, to being realistic with goals and stuff, because sometimes I am very guilty of overloading myself with so much, and then I don't really, don't do it, because I just have over overestimated my abilities, and that's something I wanna, rather do less, but trying to get stuff done and do it nicely. And I think 2 times a month is definitely possible with the editing, cutting sometimes, that I completely sometimes underestimate. Like, yeah, if I film it, it's basically done. It's not, because you have to cut it and then you have to upload it, and it's just so much work. But yeah, that's it for now. So stay tuned for what's coming next in 2021. Maybe I'll upload more, but this is just my minimum of 2 times a month, and I'm happy to have you on my journey. And if you know, I mean, because some people might have been watching from the beginning, that the Mamiya, I never knew that I would get a Mamiya. And funny enough, it was on my vision board that I did in April when I restarted my YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you that. Here it is, the Mamiya. And it looks so similar, like with all the gear and all the, stuff I got with it. I was like, so it's actually true that manifesting and writing and journaling, it really helps to refocus your mind. I mean, I'm a bit of a, of a spiritual person, so it kind of makes sense that I really like when there are a couple of stuff that I wrote down that actually happened, like stuff that I was like, oh, it's not gonna happen, like me borrowing the Mamiya, me, winning an award or any stuff like that. What we might be chatting about in the next couple of videos. But for now, I wish you a great start in 2021 and hope to see you soon somewhere here. And bye.